Hey guys, Chris from Chux Trux here. I want to talk to you about Ultimate Liners for a second and why you want to buy an Ultimate Linings bed liner as opposed to the Ford factory spray and bed liner. I'm sitting here in the bed of my 2017 F150 and I'm installing a bed rug over the top of this. I pulled the factory tie downs out and I want you to see how thin the liner is from the factory. So if you can see that, I'm guessing it's between a 32nd and a 16th of an inch, which is underneath that tie down plate. And it's like that on all the tie downs. When I pull those tie down plates off, there is no spray liner on the underside, so it didn't pull it off. That's just how it is from the factory. Over here I've got the last plate, I got the bolts out, but we'll see if it's the same way as the others. These things are kind of stuck on there pretty good. When you pop that off, you can see that's just how it is from the factory. So factory spray and bed liners from Ford are much thinner than what we spray here at Chux Trux. So if you want a spray and bed liner, stop in at Chux and get an Ultimate Linings. You'll get a lot more liner for less money than you're going to get from the factory. Ours are also backed by a lifetime guarantee. Now this Ford liner is the same material as an Ultimate Linings, and we are an authorized repair center for them. But the difference is we spray them a whole lot thicker than they do, and it's probably a lot less money than you're going to pay from the Ford dealership. Thanks, and check out our other videos here on YouTube, so don't forget to hit subscribe. See you next time.